Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming by. Today it's so exciting, I can't believe it. I have another Ipsy Glambag Plus box. I got my February one so late and my March one so early that they're only a couple weeks apart. That's so exciting. I don't know what's in here. There was something wrong with the app, so when they sent me the spoiler, even though I tried to cheat and I went over to my app, it's like all of a sudden, no ma'am, you're not gonna see what's in this box. So there's a box of goodness here and I'm not even sure what it is. In case you're new to Ipsy, Ipsy has two bags now. They have the Glam bag, which is what I just regularly started with, and it's $10 a month for that subscription. And they add tax now and free shipping, and it comes with generally five sample-sized items. Sometimes you get a full-size brush or a full-size lips. There are full-size products sometimes, but generally it's sample-sized products. And once you belong to that, you can get on the wait list to get the Glam Plus box. They say bag, but it's a box. And it's $25 a month. And it has full-size products in it, generally 5 full-size products in it. So last month, mine was so wonderful. So I hope this month doesn't disappoint either. Let's see what's in here. So I haven't even opened it. How are you guys doing? I'm filming this on the weekend, so it's kind of dreary here today, but it's still nice. At least it's not raining. And tonight we set our clocks forward. I'm not looking forward to losing the hour of time, but I am looking forward to that extra hour of daylight. Can't wait. I didn't open this at all. All right. I probably should have because now we're taking up all this time. Okay, so Glambag Plus. And it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. That's a really good mantra. And it's all nice and safe in here, I hope. Let's see what we've got. I'm not even gonna look. Let's just be surprised. Oh, well, perfect. You get a pamphlet, whether it's your regular Glambag or your Glambag Plus, you get a pamphlet and it tells you all about the things that are in your box and what their value is. So I'm gonna try real hard not to look at that right now. I'm so seldom surprised anymore. Okay. Oh, brushes. I love brushes. These are Farrah brushes. All right, we've got a 5-piece eye brush set here. They feel really nice. I got from them a Farrah blending brush a few bags ago that I just love. So I'm anxious. These have some big, thick blending brushes in it, and those are my favorites. A packer, a nice angled brush. Excellent. So let's see what they say about it. This says 5-piece eye perfection set, and it's $50. Call us high maintenance, but it's not enough for our makeup brushes to help our favorite products go on flawlessly. They should also look pretty on your vanity when you're not using them. 100% vegan bristles and that make application a breeze. Exciting. They're kind of pretty. I mean, they're, you know, it's supposed to look silver, but they're pretty. They're real lightweight. Yay! Okay, let's reach in and see what's next. Lisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. That's neat. I'm going to open this very carefully because I'm only about halfway through my Drunk Elephant Lala Retro, and then after that I'm going to use the Elemis that came in, I think it was December's Boxycharm Luxe box. So I'm a long way off from needing yet another moisturizer, so I'm not going to open this so it'll stay good. But it says that it's the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, and it's $45. Finding the perfect daily moisturizer is no easy feat, but finding one that keeps your skin hydrated without feeling greasy is like finding a unicorn. It says this fast-absorbing formula glides on like a gel and moisturizes like a cream. Plus, it's infused with white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plant extracts to soothe, deeply hydrate, and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Well, that sounds neat. I like kind of that it's in a tube. I've often said, because I keep my nails just a skosh longer, I mean, they're not incredibly long, but getting into a pot can be a bummer. So I do like the idea that it's in a tube. Oh, did I tell you they say that it is a $45 value? Okay, let's reach under here and see what's next. We have, oh, it's open. is the Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. So let's see what color it is. Oh, darling. That's a dark one. Actually, this is Becca, which is a whole nother story. I actually unboxed my Boxycharm already, but I'm going to post this one first. But this is the Becca lipstick that if you watch my next video, you'll see in the Boxycharm video, and it is lovely. All right, let's see this. Woo! Oh, gracious me. That is a red, but it is kind of a blue red. In the tube, it looks like it's going to be an orange red, but on my skin, it looks like a blue red, so I think it might be adaptable. That is really pretty. But this is another one of those, girl, you better put it where you want it. This is definitely going to take a liner, but it's not drying into even the dry skin of my hand. It's not sinking into the lines. So this is a nice one. Very nice. Let's see what the book says. Okay. It says that it is the Real Her I Am Adaptable. It goes on with tons of non-drying pigments so that you get a poppy red pout in a single swipe. And it says that it has a $14 value. So that's neat. Okay, I like that. I see you. I see you, Ipsy. It's a good box. Reach in with my non-red hand. We have, oh wow, Sunbeam by Benefit. This is, I mean, these are all full-size things. So this is awesome. Has the whole instructions. We'll read that later. We don't need instructions. And this is the bottle. Oh, it's good and tight so it doesn't leak when it's coming here. Woo. It's a whole lot of gold. Put a little drop on my hand here. Probably should have shaken that first, but that's pretty. It'll just be a pretty highlighter, but it is gold. This is one of, oh, it's going to be a little warm for me, I think. But you know what? This is one of those things where, you know, in the summer when you wear a dress and you wish the front of your legs had a little bit of pop, or your shoulders, this is going to be nice. I just tapped it in right here. I hope you can see that it's a pretty goldish color. It's really pretty. I hope you're getting some of that. Yeah, it blends. You know what? The way it blended in, I might try it on my, you know what? Let's just go for it. Let's just put a little pop on there and see if you guys can tell. Put a dot there, and a dot there. Hope I can find those dots. I'll just do this, so I'm sure to hit them. Oh yeah, feel that one. Oop, I got this one a little wet. Can you guys tell? Am I popping and shining now? Here's hoping I don't look like a clown. I can't see me. Well, let's see what the book says. It says, Benefit Sunbeam Golden Bronze Complexion Highlighter, value $26. We like the beach, but it's really only because we love the glow the sun leaves on our cheeks. This golden shade warms up skin tones like a bronzer and reflects light like a highlighter in a natural looking way. Do it look natch? I don't know, kind of fun. Like it. I think there's one more thing in here. Let's see what we've got. It's a Huda Beauty palette, eyeshadow palette. It says Smoky Obsessions on the outside. Slide it out of its little, has a little protective sleeve. I have, is this true? Yeah, I have never had a Huda Beauty eye palette. I've had some of her lips, but not an eye palette. And I've looked at them in the stores and, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. That's gonna make a heck of a smoky eye. Looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and, well, if there's 9, it means there's 5 shimmers. Yeah, 5 shimmers. So we swatch the black. Oh my goodness, it's so creamy. Let's put the, yep, black. Let's try this matte that I'll probably use for a transition shade on here. That's pretty, it's basic. I just put it right here and it smoothed out really nicely. How about this? See this? Can you tell it's a popping silver? Let's get in there and see what we get. These are creamy too. Of course, you can't really tell a true swatch with your, you know, I got these brushes over there, with your finger, but look at the silver on that. Oh, wow. That is, right here. Right here. That is so awesome. These are definitely usable. Let's try this. Let's try this gold. Oh my goodness. I just can't get over how, I mean, they're so, they almost feel wet. They're so creamy. Pow, baby. That is, oh my goodness, look at the cup. I don't know if you can tell. That is some gold. Woo. This is fabulous. What a nice palette. Let's see what they say about the Huda Beauty. It is the Obsessions palette in Smoky. We know that. And it says, the travel-friendly compact houses 9 versatile matte and shimmer shades. Apply matte shades with dry brush or intensify the shimmer shades with a wet brush. That is awesome. Yay. I know, I say yay too much, but I just get so excited. Okay, so that, now that I am covered in goodness, that is my Glam Bag Plus box. $25 box, $27 Huda Beauty palette. Covers it, and it feels fantastic. And because it's Ipsy, the colors are right for me. You know, not all beauty boxes care whether you're fair or dark or what your story is. Then we had the Real Her Liquid Matte Lip, $14. The Pearlies Moisturizer, $45. The Farrah Shadow Brushes, they say $50. We don't have to quabble over that. And the Sunbeam Golden Bronzer, $26. Other than the lip, all 4 of the rest of the products on their own, more than the cost of the box. It's just fantastic. Ipsy knocks it out of the park. They do. I love it. So have you gotten on the wait list or off the wait list? Did you get the Ipsy Glam Plus box? What did you get? Is this what most people are getting? It's a good box. Do you think that you like the Ipsy better, or do you get Boxycharm? That's where the fight is. This is a fair comparison to the Boxycharm box. And I have to say, even though I've only had 2, I want to say that the 2 months that I've gotten it, the Ipsy box has been a little bit better because they care about my skin tone. So I got a palette that I can use, because there was a warm palette too, but I didn't get that one. We'll see if that continues. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. This is fun, and I wouldn't be having this fun and continue to do this if you guys weren't out there watching. So I just want you to know I appreciate you so much. And please like and subscribe and come back and see, ring the little bell so you'll know when I put up new boxings. And let me know down below what boxes you're getting lately. I actually am thinking about adding a couple, so I'd love a couple good ideas. All right, guys. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day.